Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to now build your Instagram profile. First, you need to have a strong internet connection and make sure you need to have the updated Instagram app. So let's go to the Play Store or App Store to check if we have the updated version of Instagram. So next, if you have the updated app, then open the app, and if you do not, update the app. So let's open the Instagram app. In order to know who viewed your Instagram profile, you need to switch your account from non-professional to professional mode. So let's say you are using professional mode. Let's go to the profile section, click your profile icon below on the right side of your screen, and you will see the professional dashboard because it means that you are using professional account. So select and click it. Once open, you will see that you are sent directly into the Insights section. You will see your views, your interaction, your followers, and also the content you shared. And click New Followers to see who viewed your profile for the last 30 days. And now you can see all your followers on your Instagram accounts. So that is how to know who viewed your Instagram profile. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.